Sparks phone.
Alright, man. If you ain't been tuned in, welcome back to the channel, Boneyard Lawn Service, man. Hit the like, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe and the bell to get all the videos. Now, it's 6:31 in the afternoon, man. You can see the sun's kind of fall, and I'm gonna get you to the beginning of the day in just a second, man. I'm on my way to another estimate. I just got through doing an estimate for just, they just want the weeds pulled up out the flower bed. And I'm going to an estimate right now for a lady who just moved into the town area and looking for somebody to get her lawn together and not beat her. So I'm gonna see what I can do for her. And we're gonna get you guys into this video, man. Watch to the end. Well, up here we go. Got a yard cleanup and I'm back. I'll see you guys in a minute. And see how it's looking. A lot of trash, a lot of stuff everywhere. So, but you gotta get it in. And the yard cleanups be the most profitable, guys. Let you know now. You're gonna have to work, but you're gonna be working for it. So, yeah, I got sticks everywhere. Them right here hanging. Back here, see how it's looking. Trees everywhere, sticks everywhere. Gotta get busy. Another thing, we got seen some gumballs, some spots, little pine cones everywhere. So it's gonna be a cleanup. See this? Little pine cones everywhere. Show you something new too. It's my new thing right here. 8560, we're gonna put it to work today. I'll let you in just 1 second. Alright guys, spring just hit, but we still doing spring cleaning. And I decided to invest in a new blower this year. Plan on getting me somebody to hire, man, and I still got a few big old cleanups that I got to get done. And with those big old cleanups, man, I needed to definitely grab this. I went ahead and grabbed another Redmax. It's the Redmax EBZ 8560, and I could definitely tell a big difference. I'm talking about huge difference in the way it blows compared to the other one. It picks up leaves, no problem. And with this job today, it was actually pretty wet, pretty muddy. You'll see it in a second when I get done blowing all these things up. But it was pretty wet and pretty muddy, and man, that thing lifted up those leaves like it was nothing. Hopefully, I can get me a debris loader. And with this blower, my other blower, and a debris loader, shouldn't be no problem, man, knocking out these cleanup jobs. Man, picked up them leaves with no problems, guys. You can see it's muddy as heck out here. But, man, it picked those things up with no problem. And I definitely could tell the difference after using my 8550, which I still love. But this thing right here just, hey, it made it simple, made it easy. Let's get the rest finished. Alright guys, just come back from a little break. Just what the Redmax got up. Way better. See all that's cleaned out right there. All that back there. Got that. So, it's too wet to cut today. I was gonna cut, but get all this cleaned up. Get that cleaned up. We're gonna finish up the back. All right, so now guys, all this right here, I'm just gonna take the first with the chute block and just run over it. That's all I'm gonna do. So you see it, but I'm loving the new backpack blower, man. This mug right here is a beast, if you didn't know. So let me get the first side, get the weight. Bam, you gotta take the curl. And you see, looking good. Looking good. Now they got a little dog back here. We ain't gonna worry about it. I'm gonna get that tape curl. Got all that clean. That clean right there. See what the bag is. See down here. So that 80, 85, 60 did a job today. Did exactly what it was supposed to do. So holler at you guys when I get back putting up this support. All right guys, now we back in the garage here, baby. So this is what we got going on. This was year one when I first started. And you see it, the Husqvarna 150 TB. I mean BT 150, sorry about that. Then we got the 8550, 8560, the new boy. And this thing right here, it's amazing. This has plenty power. But what this did today, worth every penny of it. Probably cut my blowing down maybe hour 15. Big difference. So what we got new, man, I got some new equipment I'm gonna show you guys, but the evolution of Boneyard, baby. 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023 and beyond, baby. So we get out here, man. Holler at you guys on the next one. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Get at you in the next one. Boneyard Lawn.
Start smoking.